Sanjib Sahoo, EVP, Global Technology and Chief Digital Officer, Ingram Micro, and N.S. Bindra, SVP and Chief Country Executive, Ingram Micro India, share how the company is reshaping the distribution industry through its digital-first approach and transformative solutions. In an interaction with CRN, they divulge more about Ingram Micro's strategic focus on empowering partners in emerging areas like cloud computing, AI, and cybersecurity through solutions like their Xvantage platform, and highlight efforts to enhance partner engagement and customer experiences. The distribution industry is rapidly shifting, driven by emerging business and technology trends. How is Ingram Micro responding to these shifts, and what are the key drivers shaping the future of the distribution ecosystem?
There's a lot of changes in the technology ecosystem, right? We can see that the distribution market is changing. The relationships are no more linear. We see the relationships between the OEMs and the resellers and the hyperscalers, the end customers are all changing. We also see that subscription, consumption models are actually increasing. We also see customer experience. The consumerist experience is now coming in B2B or distribution. The same expectation that we see in an Amazon, Netflix, Uberization, Uber models, we expect that in distribution as well, in B2B. We also see that there's a lot of effort to take complexity out, drive for efficiency. And last but not the least, you talk about AI, cyber, cloud. There is a push in shift where our partners are looking more for services and solutions and bundling, not just buying products, as such.
The Ingram Micro Xvantage is described as revolutionary to the partner engagement platform. Do share with me insights into how this is transforming the interface for partners and making them streamlined in the experience process.
Ingram Micro is becoming a platform company. And the reason we wanted to become a platform company, we started Xvantage journey, was because of how do we actually solve some of the complex challenges that we see in distribution, what we see today and what we anticipate it to be. For example, how do we create a different experience for our partners? How do you create an experience that can be personalized for every persona? Can we actually solve complex codes and configurations, ability to execute in minutes and seconds, to bring in that speed and agility in the industry? Can you price every single SKU real time? Pricing is a big issue in this industry. Can you have hardware, software, services, cloud, everything in one single order ticket? Can you go from a pull model to a push model to drive insights, recommendations? And then we are working with AI such a way that we have our customers and our vendors, we can transform to their formats to integrate with us without them changing anything. And with all these innovations and transformation via Xvantage, we are trying to have, and create a new experience that helps us bring that for our partners and our employees and our OEMs.
Exceptional customer experience has been touted to be one of the great differences of today's competitive space. Using the advanced technologies, in what ways is Ingram Micro Xvantage creating an intuitive, seamless experience for the end customers as well as partners?
The platform is catered towards understanding the partners. It's a self-learning platform. That means every interaction that the partner is doing through the platform, it is learning and trying to create a very personalized experience catering to the needs of the partner. Be it bringing in real-time information in invoices, orders, quotes, bringing it, having recommendations pushed to the partner based on what they should buy or what are the possibilities of solutions, bringing in them access to the right solutions and bundles, ability to actually solve complex solutions and do pricing and quoting right in the platform, looking at even options to do their business better. Today, we can even do a QBR with our partners in the platform real time. They can look at their business completely through a single pane of glass. Imagine as a partner, you can look at everything through one single panel class. Second of all, we are working with Xvantage Assist and Xvantage Enable, which means that we have done a lot of work with enabling using AI to solve complex problems. Now we are taking those AI solutions to give it at the hand of our partners so that what we have learned to use them and then take it forward. They don't have to invest in AI transformation. We have solved those problems, and then we can give them insights, recommendations, possibilities with their data that they work with us, which they don't have to invest in themselves. And we are seeing a huge interest from the partners with that. Overall, with all this, we are creating a new experience that the partners are engaging with us. What we hear mostly from them is it's saving them time, it's making them more efficient, it's helping them to understand solutions in the market, it is making it easier to integrate with us. And then what we do is that we are working with them together to bring in new solutions to the market much more faster.
A few examples here. If you look at the partner landscape, there are a lot of partners who are doing a stock and sell type of a business. We are bringing to them, like Sanjeev said, recommendations, what more they can sell along with whatever laptop or desktop or server they are selling, which means ultimately how do we help them grow their business and how do we help them respond to their end customers faster and, like Sanjeev said, far more accurately than ever before. How do they translate that customer experience, what they are getting through the platform, to their end customers as well? If I look at, say, for example, the system integration partners, Sanjeev talked a lot about the solutions and the complexities there. So one of the key requirements there is, okay, I have this project or this order from an end customer, which is, say, a networking implementation. I'm a networking partner. I have requirements which I see with the customer of data center, of storage, of servers, but I don't have capabilities there. How do I leverage on Ingram Micro through this platform to create an integrated solution? And Ingram Micro takes care of all the issues, the problems, the challenges of implementing a storage solution along with a networking solution or a security solution along with a networking solution, so that I can give a better end-to-end experience to my end customers and at the same time grow my business. That's what is enabled through the platform. Another example, all these large projects, like Sanjeev said, customers are moving towards consumption model. Consumption model not only means the consumption of the softwares or metering based consumption, but also an OPEX model. So how do I, as a partner, meet the requirement of my end customer, which says that, okay, I will invest so many crores today for this solution, but I will pay over a period of 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years. So it's not only the technology solutions, it is a holistic view on the solutions which the customer can take to their end customers. Our customers can take to their end customers and then deliver a customer delight. Their end customers are satisfied and the partner grows their business with us. So it's a holistic approach we are taking in terms of providing the solutions to our partners, the solutions they are needing, which are relevant to them, and not give them a plethora of 20 solutions and say, okay, whatever you need, you choose from there. And that's where the intelligence on the platform comes in. That's where the recommendations come in. And that's where the platform learns as to what the partners need.
How is Ingram Micro preparing its partners for emerging areas such as cloud computing, AI, and cybersecurity through the tech landscape, which is changing at an incredible pace?
I would say from a credit perspective, there are multiple solutions we are offering to the customers, our customers, so as to say. One is, of course, all the traditional ways of offering credit, which is credit offered by Ingram, like any other distributor, or credit offered through third-party channel financing companies, as they call it, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, maybe even going up to 120 days. That is run of the mill. And that's something which the industry has been used to over a period of time. That still has value, that still helps partners grow their business. But What we are doing is we are going beyond that. We are saying that if you need credit which is spread over a period of time, we are here to enable that. You need to match your cash flows which you feel are there when you execute a complex project, we are there to match. You want payments which are 12 payments equated over a period of 1 year, we are there to support you. You are getting 50% advance from the customer at the time of project commencement and you want to match that cash flow, you want bullet payment right up front and then a payment over a period of time, we are there to support you. You want payments which match your support to the end customer and the support services and the support revenue you get. How do you discount that upfront and invest that so that you can grow your business and make that working capital? We are there to help you. You want, for example, large telco project execution. You want a 3-year payment term because that's how the project will pan and that's how the cash flows will start coming. We are there to help you. So we are going well beyond the traditional credit requirements, so as to say, and really looking at what the customer wants and how do we enable that to our customers so that they can grow their business with the end customers.
Ingram Micro has been shifting from traditional tech distribution. What are the key solutions and services that are driving this change, and how do they address the needs of modern businesses in transformation?
If you look at it, distribution of technology was you're taking solutions from your OEMs and a hardware or software or cloud and then selling to your resellers and end customers, right? But the market is changing right now, right? As I said, they're not a linear relationship, and you're not really buying technology in isolation, you are buying in bundles or solutions. An average Ingram Micro solution has 6 products. It can be different brands or different OEMs or a combination of hardware and software or cloud. And when you look at this to the platform, there is a friction between how you buy hardware and how you buy cloud. So you're bringing those two together. How you attach services on top of it, how you actually create opportunities to add through AI, like say warranty, to an order. What we are doing is we are actually having all these capabilities, which is more than a distribution to go to the technology landscape of India and bring in those solutions to the market, because our partners are looking to solve complex problems for the end customers. They are looking to bring in solutions for the end customers. They are not becoming line card fillers of technology. If they are moving towards more problem solving and solutions, we have to bring in a platform that can solve problems for them and then combine technology that drives capabilities. So you're actually moving from just a distributor to from distributing technology, distributing capabilities, and distributing solutions. That's where we are seeing the change.
And distributing outcomes what the end customers
Absolutely.
finally want, and which we've been talking about for last couple of years, that it's outcome based, so on and so on. How to make it really happen is the question, and the answer here lies with the platform.
AI, ML, and automation are transforming industries. How is Ingram Micro enabling its teams and partners to really make use of these technologies? Are there some initiatives that have made a significant impact?
What we have added is, Xvantage is a global platform, but obviously in India, especially, we have added different capabilities from pricing, of SKU, that we have, which was a complicated problem. We have complex quotes and orders and configurations, launching insights and recommendations in the platform, how we can actually bring in cloud, into the same platform, with Xvantage as well, launching marketing engine that we can take some of the capabilities to help in marketing, tracking orders and statuses to the platform, launching Xvantage for our OEMs, and vendors. So we have added a lot of capabilities. We have come a long way, and we are building the platform every day. We are adding capabilities every day. We have also launched the mobile app that, as you know, when we first talked about. And India is really, across our globe, one of the countries that are growing fastest in adopting Xvantage, and using the platform, and so I would say there is one part of really building the platform, but there is one part of operationalizing the platform and becoming a platform business. And India is truly transforming the business to become a platform company business. We have our homegrown technology that we use. We have a lot of patents that we have filed for this architecture that we have built. We have more than 100 models of AI that we have built, and then we have an AI ingestion factory and data mesh that we use. And the architecture is completely homegrown, patent pending, that we utilize to combine the sources of data and capabilities to create these solutions and bundles to push it. So what we do is, we talked about it before, that we have built our own proprietary data mesh, and then those global data mesh feeds to intelligent engines which are completely headless, and these engines are business capabilities, and these engines are stitched together through a proprietary architecture, that creates a frictionless experience. So we have used a lot of cutting edge technologies to build this architecture and platform which can scale, and ability to create an asynchronous way to figure out how we create a fast, seamless, and easy experience, for our partners.
As a global leader in technology and digital innovation, what do you envision for Ingram Micro's growth and strategic direction both in India and on a global level?
I think there are two aspects to this. One is what actions we do. Second is equally important, how do we measure the outcomes of that action. So at a global level, we do have tie-ups with organizations, the most reputed of all, who would measure as a third party the sustainability efforts which Ingram Micro is doing. And they are organizations which are credible, and they publish sustainability scores. And that's where I think ultimately all the efforts which we are putting in to ensure sustainability gets reflected in terms of scores and numbers and all, which IT industry is so fond of. If I talk about the India piece of business, we have a multi-pronged approach to that, because we feel sustainability is not taking one action or the other, but taking a holistic view of all the different facets of sustainability and really looking at each one of them and delivering on each one of them. So, for example, we have our own IT asset disposal business, where we are certified disposers of IT assets, the e-waste part of it, how to dispose of the e-waste in a responsible fashion which does not harm the environment. And we issue certificates saying that yes, it has been disposed of in a responsible manner. So that's one activity we do. And that turns out to be having a business angle as well, because organizations across the country need help there, and they need help from reputed suppliers who can impart that technology and tell them that yes, it has been disposed of in a certifiable, responsible manner. We do a lot of actions and activities through our employees on a purely voluntary basis. A lot of tree plantings happen, a lot of I would say cleanliness drives happen, a lot of donations happen through our employees, not only for the environment per se, but also really teaching the citizens at a larger level how they should take care of the environment. So it's a multiplier effect which we get into, not only direct contributions from the employees of Ingram Micro. We organize a lot of blood camps, a lot of I would say Earth Day celebrations where we go and plant trees and so on and so forth. So at an employee level, a lot of action happens. All our warehouses, for example, are driven through solar energy, and we drive a lot of conservation of the polluting energy, so as to say, in that manner. We have electric trucks to really power our warehousing business per se. So a lot of efforts at the organization level, a lot of efforts at the individual employee level, where the organization acts as a catalyst and as a facilitator to enable the employees and empower the employees to go out and contribute to the society and contribute in a manner which is meaningful, in a manner where sustainability occupies the center stage. And then, of course, the measurement of the sustainability through a sustainability index. So we adopt a multi-pronged approach, a holistic approach to ensure that we are at the forefront of sustainability. We have a lot of focus on the green PCs, and those PCs are available through our platform on an exclusive basis. We empower our partners to go and create programs for the end customers to drive sustainability in whatever electronic equipments they use, whatever PCs they use, whatever computers and the IT equipment they use. So a lot of programs from our side to our partners and from our partner side to our end customers. Lot of enablement we do for our partners to recycle the products. So when there's a refresh of a PC going on, how do they get the old ones back and give it to us, and we dispose it off in a responsible manner, along with our vendors, with their partnership. So it's a three-way partnership, like Sanjeev said. Our partners, our employees, and our vendors all enmeshed into one when it comes to sustainability. So a lot of partner enablement happens at that level.
How will your digital-first approach change Ingram Micro and its partner ecosystem over the next few years?
So from an India perspective, yes, customer centricity is at the center of what we do, which means how do we enable our customers to really grow and contribute more to the society, take the complexity out of whatever they are doing today, and bring that complexity at the back end to Ingram Micro to solve through the platform, and really ensure that our customers are at the center of our universe, and we do all that makes our customers really eager to do business with us and grow their business with their end customers. So customer centricity is the key.
I think our global focus is really how do we really become a platform company and become a platform ecosystem and leverage the power of this platform to create an amazing experience for our partners, employees, and our OEMs, and really create a company that maintains the human ingenuity and also creativity with innovation with the platform. So be amazingly human but aggressively digital.